Welcome back. Today is December 21st, Monday, and on this post I'll be telling you about some of the new coins that were just listed on Coinbase, their NuCypher, and the graph NUUSD and GRTUSD, and I'll be sharing with you the overall crypto markets update as well very quickly. Before diving into these two cryptocurrencies, I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenarios for these two tokens, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but we'll get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. We do have Bitcoin dominance trending up at about 0.7%, now above 67%, while Bitcoin price action is pulling back. This is dangerous because this tells me on average altcoins are going to bleed out some more than the Bitcoin price action if this pattern continues. Okay, so Bitcoin price action is pulling back, but I do expect the lowest it can go in the very short-term future is to 12-hour 21 simple moving average, currently at about 21K. Since there was bearish divergence on the 12-hour time frame. So let's see if the support holds. You guys let me know what you think. Now let's take a look into NuCypher first, NUUSD. See what has been going on in this newly listed coin on Coinbase. It has been getting quite a bit of price action over the weekend. I think it went from as low as about 16.5 cents to even about 27 cents. So some pretty significant movements. But in the altcoin land, it's it's decent. It's not like super impressive. But if we actually do zoom out and on the daily time frame, I do see that this coin has been running quite a bit on a downtrend for a little while since it had that crazy pump earlier this month. And right now, it does look like it's trying to reverse. But I am going to wait for a confirmation here on the daily candle here, because that would tell me a little bit more. And if we actually go into the 4-hour time frame here, actually does seem like there was at least there is a ascending triangle pattern that is being formed right now. Ascending triangle patterns are generally bullish patterns. 63% chance of it breaking upwards. You guys can verify that stat. And if it actually does break upwards, then the measured target would be about 32 cents. Okay, that is the measured target of the ascending triangle pattern here if it actually does break upwards, and if it actually does stays intact, of course. So now this is a measured target. It's only theoretical, may or may not be reached. There is still quite a bit of resistance between that breakout point and that measured target, namely the 0.5 fib level about 25.5 cents, the 0.618 fib level at about almost 29-30 cents. So those are going to be the levels to watch out for, even if it looks like the price action has broken out of this ascending triangle pattern. Now, that is the very short evaluation of NuCypher. Let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario for this coin right now. The bullish case scenario, very simple. If the price action actually breaks out of this ascending triangle pattern, go towards its measured target, theoretical measured target. So that is the bullish case scenario. And on the 4-hour time frame is what I'll be paying very close attention to. And the bearish case scenario here, if the price action actually breaks this bottom trend line, which is pretty parallel with the 50 simple moving average here on the 4-hour time frame, and if it actually does break that, that would mean that I would have to adjust my bottom trend line, and it could still be a ascending triangle pattern, a bigger ascending triangle pattern, which would tell me that the breakout may be delayed, or it could be forming another formation instead. So on the 4-hour time frame is what I'll be paying more close attention to on NuCypher. Now these are my two scenarios for NuCypher. Let's go and take a look at the graph. The graph was actually pretty new on Coinbase. I think it came out about December 17th. December 17th. And it ran up from about 10 cents to even above 80 cents. And now it's having quite a bit of a pullback back to about 50 cents. So pretty crazy price action here. And the signal for this pullback was because there was bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. If you guys actually compare this high with this high, which is very consistent technique that I use to actually predict a pullback, and it works more often than not. And when it actually does pull back right now, it's at the 21 simple moving average, which it's a pretty conservative estimate of a pullback on a certain time frame, is that it would pull back to at least the nearest moving average, and the nearest moving average here is the 21 simple here on the 4-hour time frame. Now, that is basically the very short evaluation of this token right now. Let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenarios for this token. Bullish case scenario, very simple. If this actually holds, if this moving average right here actually holds the price action, and the price action gets a pretty good reversal candle and bounce off here, then I'll be more confident that it will get higher price action. And the bearish case scenario, of course, if this moving average does not hold and the price action does not get a bounce here, then I'll be looking at lower levels. Let's actually pull a Fibonacci retracement level right here and see where it could actually go. So roughly, if this price action does not hold right here, the next major level of support I'll be looking at is going to be about 45.5 cents. And then finally about 37 cents. And then next would be about 25 cents before a full retracement downwards. So let's see if any of these Fibonacci retracement would actually hold the price action if this 21 simple moving average does not hold here on the 4-hour time frame. So these are going to be my very short evaluation of these two tokens here. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.